Hello everyone, this is PaperFlight and I'm Ryan. Here's my new design, CR11 paper airplane. As you have seen in the outdoor flight tests, it does have excellent gliding abilities. However, it's not its full potential yet, because I live in a place with tropical rainforest climate. It's rainy season now, and the humidity is extremely high every day. The design concept of this plane is based on the Cheetah paper airplane, but I added a Collins lock hat and made the fuselage shorter. The high aspect ratio follows the modern gliding paper plane's ideology. Because of this, I think it can fly a little further than Cheetah. Alright, now the tutorial begins. First step, fold the paper in half. Then fold it in half horizontally. Fold the bottom edge to the horizontal crease. And then fold the bottom edge to this crease again. Fold the two corners to the middle line. Fold it up along this crease. Take out a pen and a ruler and measure 6.8 centimeters here at the tail. Then measure 0.6 centimeters here. Fold along these 2 points. The same with the other side, you can do it like this. Then we are going to make the inward plug structure for both sides. Fold from here to the crease. Then take out your pen and measure the point here where you just made the crease. Then you can fold this part down from the 2 points you made. Fold it up. Then we're going to make the Collins lock hat like this. Also, if you're using 100 GSM A4 paper for strength, then I recommend using a little bit of tape here, so the paper doesn't tear up when you're making the locking mechanism. Then plug it into the pocket. After that, we're going to open up our wings. For the wings, I don't have a precise measuring here. I just want to say around 4 to 5 centimeters is good. Fold the wings on both sides. This plane requires tape, so just tape the usual parts. Because this plane structure is similar to structure, there's not much to say as it's just the same taping as Cheetah. But generally, it's recommended to tape the front, middle intersection, and the rear. Alright, so now our CR11 paper plane is finished. For the adjustment methods, it's the same as Cheetah before flying. Just remember to add the elevators at the back. Bend the paper upwards at the back of the paper plane. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to help me reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. For those who watched until here, you are extraordinary. I'm Ryan, this is PaperFlight. See you next time for another tutorial. Bye.